In this video, I'll detail how to pair Bluetooth on Android. So if you have an Android phone and you want to pair the Bluetooth or you want to connect to another Android phone, so this video is going to walk you through. Now the first thing you want to do is on the first Android phone, you want to go to the phone settings like this. Then locate Bluetooth or connections. Depending on your Android phone settings, click on connections and then tap Bluetooth and turn on the Bluetooth. Then go to the second device like this. Go to the phone settings on the second device just the way you did on your first device. Then scroll down and locate Bluetooth. Turn on the Bluetooth. Turn it on like this. Then on your main device, you see the name of the Bluetooth on the list. Here you can see I have my Redmi Note 12. This Bluetooth name available. Go ahead and click on the Bluetooth name. Then once you click on that, if you've not paired this before, you'll be prompted to pair both devices together so that you can use them. Otherwise, this is going to pair automatically. As you can see, Bluetooth pairing request. Then on both devices, you need to click on pair and then click on pair here as well. So once you selected pair, then you should see the device paired successfully. So that's how you can easily pair Bluetooth device on Android phone. If you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.